How to find PIN number for a debit card of Bank of America. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Bank of America debit card PIN and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Activate your card or change your PIN. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different questions related to debit card. So you can go through any of the question that is related to your issue. How do you replace your debit card? How to unlock your debit card PIN? Just go through it. If this don't resolve the issue, what you have to do is contact their customer service, call 800-431-1000, or alternatively, you can schedule an appointment at a financial center for assistance. For security reasons, Bank of America does not provide PIN information online or over the phone, so you'll need to visit the bank itself. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear how can you find your PIN number for a Bank of America debit card. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.